Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, inshallah, we will be learning about Ghunnah with the Noon Sakin and Tanween. I have discussed before in the previous lesson what is Ghunnah and when we do Ghunnah. Today, we will be learning about Noon Sakin and Tanween. When we do Ghunnah with the Noon Sakin and Tanween. Actually, the Ghunnah with the Noon Sakin and Tanween has 4 parts. I'll be writing the names of all of the 4 parts one by one, and then I will be describing all of them one by one, inshallah. The first part of the Ghunnah is called izhar, the Ghunnah with the Noon Sakin and Tanween. The second part is called iqlab. The third part is called idgham. And the fourth part is called ikhfa. So the Ghunnah with the Noon Sakin and Tanween has 4 parts. The first part, izhar. Actually, in izhar, we will be covering 6 letters, which are throat letters: Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ghain, Kha. And in iqlab, we will be covering only one letter, which is letter Ba. And in idgham, we will have to cover 6 letters: Waw, Mim, Noon, and Ya, and Lam, Ra. And then in ikhfa, we have 15 letters. Other than these 13 letters, we are left with 15 letters: Ta, Tha, Jim, Dal, Zal, Za, Sin, Sheen, Sad, Dad, Ta, Dha, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, Waw, Hamza, Ya, and Ya. So other letters we have already covered. If you count these letters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So these are the 15 letters, inshallah, we will be covering in ikhfa. Actually, we have to cover all the letters. We have 28 letters. In the first 3 part, we cover 13 letters, and in the last part, ikhfa, we will be covering, inshallah, these 15 letters. Now I'm going to remove all of it. Then we will be doing the first part. What is first part? Izhar, and what we do and how we do Ghunnah with these. If we do Ghunnah or not in this part, inshallah, we'll learn about this. Remember, we are learning the Ghunnah with the Noon Sakin and Tanween. The first part of the Ghunnah with the Noon Sakin and Tanween is izhar. Okay, so first of all, we need to know the meaning of izhar. The meaning of izhar is to make clear. To make clear. What to make clear? Actually, izhar means to show, to make clear, to do nothing, to read it without any change. Okay, what does that mean? If you have any of these 6 letters after noon sakin or tanween, after noon sakin or tanween, which letters? Hamza, ha, ain, ha, jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Kha. Hamza actually covers the alif too. Okay, alif is already there. Hamza means if you put fatha, kasra or dhamma on alif, it becomes Hamza. We'll discuss it later, inshallah. So Hamza means alif is already here. So if you see any of these 6 letters after noon sakin or tanween, you don't do ghunnah. You have to show the sound. You don't have to hold the sound in your nose. That is called izhar. To make clear, I will be giving the examples now, inshallah. For example, in the first surah, Surah Al-Fatiha, we have a word which is an'amta. An'amta. The word is an'amta. Here you can see noon sakin. And after noon sakin, we have ayn. And as you can see, ayn is here in these 6 letters. It's a letter of izhar. So with the noon sakin here, we can't do ghunnah. We can't do ghunnah because ayn is izhar letter. With this one, we don't do ghunnah. We make it clear. We show the sound. We don't hold the sound. We read it as it is without any change. So an'amta, we don't say an'amta. We read it an'amta, an'amta, an'amta. Another example. In hadha. We have noon sakin and then we have ha. After noon sakin we have ha. So we can't do gunna because ha is the izhar letter. We just say in hadha. We don't say in hadha. No. In hadha. In hadha. Another example. فَصَلِّ لِرَبِّكَ وَانْحَرْ. The word is wanhar. We have noon sakin here. You can see. And then right after noon sakin we have ha. So because of this ha with the noon sakin, we can't do gunna because here you can see ha. Ha is the izhar letter. So we don't do gunna. This was the example. These were the examples with the noon sakin. Now I will be giving you the examples with the tanween, inshallah, so you understand it clearly. Okay, alimun khabir. Here we have tanween on top of mim. You can see alimun, and then we have kha. Kha, here you can see kha is the izhar letter. So we can't do gunna with the kha, with this tanween, because the kha comes after tanween. Okay, if you see any of these 6 letters after noon sakir or tanween, you don't do gunna. So after tanween, after dhammatain, we have kha, we are not able to do gunna. We can't do it. It's just alimun khabir. We can't say alimun khabir. It's wrong. Another example with the tanween, shay in alim. Shay'in alim. Here you can see tanween. Shay'in alim. And after in, we have ayn. Here you can see ayn in these 6 letters. It means we can't do gunna with this tanween. It's just shay'in alim. Shay'in alim. Once again, remember tanween is double fatha, double kasra, and double dhamma. I mean fathatain, kasratain, and dhammatain. Shay'in alim. We can't do gunnah with this tanween because of the ain ilhar letter comes after this. So this was ilhar. Ilhar is to make clear. If you have any of these 6 letters after nun sakin or tanween, you don't do gunnah and you can't do gunnah. Inshallah, now we will learn about the next part, which is iqlab, the second part of the gunnah with the nun sakin and tanween. Iqlab. First of all, we need to know its meaning. What is the meaning of iqlab? The meaning of iqlab is to convert. To convert. What to convert? As you know, we are learning about the gunnah with the nun sakin and tanween. So I'm writing here nun sakin and tanween. If you see letter ba, which letter? Letter ba after nun sakin or tanween. If you see letter ba after nun sakin or tanween, you have to convert the sound of the nun sakin to mim. How you do it? I will be giving you the examples now. Min ba'di. Here this is min ba'di. The word is min ba'di. But instead of saying it with the noon sakin, we need to convert the sound of noon sakin to mim. In Quran, you will have no problem because you will be seeing a small mim on top of the letter, which means you don't have to read the noon sakin, you have to read it with the mim. So it becomes mim ba'di. And also we do the gunnah. We do the gunnah. Remember, we do the gunnah if letter ba comes after noon sakin or tanween, and also we change the sound of the noon sakin to mim. We do it mim ba'di, mim ba'di, not min ba'di. It's mim ba'di, mim. How mim? M-I-M, mim, not min. It's not min. It's mim. We read it with the mim. Mim ba'di, and we do the gunnah. Now another example. Min baqaliha. The word is min baqaliha, but as I told you, we need to change the sound of the noon sakin to mim. So in Quran, you will be seeing a small mim here. We don't read it min ba'di, we read it with the mim sakin. Sorry, mim baqaliha. Mim baqaliha. The word is mim baqaliha, mim, not min. So it is mim baqaliha. Now inshallah I'll be giving the examples with the tanween. If after tanween we have letter ba, we need to change the sound of nun sakin to mim. For example, the word is nafsin bima. As you know, in the tanween, the sound of the nun sakin is hidden. Nafsin, sin. Nun sakin, sin kasara, nun sukun, sin. So this is nafsin. Instead of saying nafsin, we need to change the sound of the nun sakin to mim. Nafsim. You will see a small mim on top of it. It means you have to read it with the mim. Nafsim. Nafsim bima, and you do the gunnah. Nafsim bima. Nafsim bima. Not nafsin bima. Another example with the tanween. Abadan bima. sorry, is there's no tashdid on top of ba. So abadan bima, it's abadan bima. After this tanween we have ba. Here we can't read the alif, so we leave the alif. We look at the next letter. This is ba, so we say abadan bima, but it's not abadan bima. As you know, when we have letter ba after the tanween, we need to change the sound of the noon sakin to mim. How we do it? Abadam. We put a small mim here on the top and read it with the mim sakin. Abadam bima with the tanween. Abadam bima. Abadam. We do the ghunnah. Remember, when we have letter ba after noon sakin or tanween, this is called iqlab. Iqlab means to convert. What to convert? We need to change the sound of the noon sakin to mim. The noon sakin sound is also hidden in the tanween, so we change it. Abadam, not dan. Abadam, D-A-N-M, dam, or D-U-M, dam. So abadam bima, not abadan bima. It's not with the n. Abadam bima. We convert the sound of the tanween, this noon sakin to mim. Abadam bima, and we do the ghunnah. Inshallah, the rest of the two parts you will be learning in the next video. So that's it inshallah for today. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.